Hey folks, the front is here. You probably noticed reaching the upper valley around noon or so and working its way across. Depends on where you were. It went kind of west-east across the area rather than north to south. The temperature dropped in Starr County first, then it kind of went this way across the valley, getting to the island not that long ago. Winds still out of the northwest at 22, the dew point's in the 50s, humidity 90%. But look at those numbers, mostly in the 50s across the area, down to 56. In many locations right now. Our lows will go down just a little bit more tonight. We should bottom out right around 50. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a few readings in the upper 40s tonight with northwest winds 15 to 25. And then tomorrow, notice the color on the background. The temperatures are color coded and it didn't change. We stay in the 50s, except maybe Brownsville and the island, 60 and 62. But on and off light rain and drizzle. It's just kind of a messy day across the area tomorrow. Our first shot of cool air is a serious one. In fact, take a look. The normal high for this time of year is 87. We're going to be 57 tomorrow, 30 degrees below normal. Only 58 on Wednesday, so still way below normal. And on Thursday, just the low 60s. So we're staying, again, off the chart low as far as the temperatures go. This is a little unusual for this time of year. Usually we get something like this maybe late November or December, but instead our first front of the season means business. Rain the last few hours. You can see a lot of it earlier. Some pretty good rain in some places. We picked up about 1/3 of an inch here at our studios, but now it's mostly just leftover light rain and drizzle, and it's out there. And Future Track says it'll be there tonight and tomorrow and on and on and on. It may break for a while tomorrow. There may be times when we're rain free for several hours, but then it'll show up again, just that misty drizzle again. Same kind of thing on Wednesday. Temperatures don't go up much, and Thursday temperatures don't go up much either. We keep the clouds, we keep the drizzle around, so it's just kind of a messy week ahead. It's going to feel more like fall or winter than it's felt in a long time. 60, 40, 60, the rain chances the next 3 days. It's just going to stay with us. And look at Texas, the whole state really getting rain and some heavy stuff up in the northern part of the state. So the front goes through. You can see that line. That's the front going through, rain breaking out behind it. Upper level winds are going to stay out of the southwest. So that continues to push warm Pacific moisture up and over the colder air that's coming down here at the surface. And notice the front just stays there. Usually the front washes out after a day or two, but it doesn't. It just kind of hangs out just to the south and east of the valley. That keeps pulling cold air in. The high pressure area it takes a long time to move eastward, so the air just kind of stays with us for the foreseeable future. Low pressure, a little trough right here, trying to develop right along the coast as well. That is what helps keep the rain chances with us, so we just don't see a break. Now that we're in this, we're going to be in it for a while. Tropics, one system we're watching headed straight west into Central America, not a major concern there. If you're traveling tomorrow north of the valley, it's going to be chilly everywhere. 49 in San Antonio in the morning, rain in Dallas and 45. Houston just a little warmer and maybe brief sunshine. 50s, 40s by afternoon. That's about it. So for tonight, a low of 51 degrees. Cloudy, chilly with light rain at times. Not a lot, but a little bit. Then tomorrow, cloudy and cool with a bit of drizzle on and off. 57 for a high. North winds at 12 to 25 miles an hour. 57, 58, 62. We should get back in the 70s Friday and Saturday, but then another front brings us back to the 60s for Sunday and Monday. You don't see a lot of sun on there. We just don't see much chance of any significant amounts of sunshine this entire week. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.